All right, guys, let's see what is up. Is done downloading and installing. So this is the 10.2 beta. Turn off the lights. So I did get an email at around 2:05 saying that I was in the beta program. And I will be getting the download shortly. So it took a little bit less than an hour to download and install this. So let's see what the release notes say. There it is, full self-driving beta. I think it's pretty much the same verbiage as the original people that got it. Driving visualization improvements. And cabin camera, which was already on the previous update. So I will probably do some drives right now. I actually have some stuff to send to the post office, so I will be going to my local post office. I will try and upload those videos as soon as possible.